Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Crafting 101 here. Thank you very much for stopping by, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. Today we're going to be building a Christmas tree out of pine cones. Just like this one I'm putting on screen now. It's really easy to do. You just need a hot glue gun and some pine cones. I'm going to be using some white ones and some plain ones. Just going to build them up and hot glue them together into a Christmas tree shape. So, before I do that, if you could like, share and subscribe to my channel, I would really appreciate that. It really helps support me. And let's crack on. So I've just hot glued that one there, and I'm just going to add another one onto the side of that. And just hold that in place until it dries. I'm going to try and get 4 or 5 around in a circle shape. And while that's gluing, put a bit of glue on that one. And what we're trying to do is to get them all pointing out as we go round. So I've got 3 on there. I should get another 2 on the other side. I'm just going to hold them in place while they dry, because put rather a bit too much glue on there, but I want to make sure it all stays together, so that's the reason for it. Right, I think that's got it. In with the next one. And the next one. And we'll go for this one. Plenty of glue on. And while it's all still wet, just put it apart and squeeze that last one in. And just push it all together to make sure it's as round as you can get it. Like so. Now I'm going to be using some white ones. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to go for 5 white ones. And we're going to stack them on top at offset angles. So obviously, because of the nature of the hot glue, it's just taking a little bit longer to dry. So I'll come back to you when I've finished off this level. So as you can see, I'm slowly building the tree up. So I'm on the third row now, so I'm going to alternate the pine cones. I'm going to go brown and white, brown and white. And I've got some bigger pine cones here, which I'm going to stick on top. We can get them out of the packaging, just like so. Just find the central point of it, just there. That's the best way to go. Plenty of glue. And just let that dry. So now what I'm doing, I've got some green spruce material, like so, and I'm just wrapping it around the tree and holding it into place. It's like a pipe cleaner. But it looks like Christmas tree branches, so I'm just holding that in place until it dries. Like so. Or not quite there yet. But I'll come back to you when I've got it covered in this green branches. So as you can see, the tree's all done. So now what I've got to do is I've just got to put the star on top like so. Basically what that was a snowflake, which I've broken off to stick into the top of the tree to make it look a bit more festive looking without having too many spikes coming out, which would have interfered with the pine cones on the tree. So I'm just going to put a bit of hot glue in there. Not too much. And then place that in there like so, and just hold it in place until that dries. I mean, you can put glitter tints on there, or pipe cleaners, glitter pipe cleaners. I've gone for a more natural look, so that's what I've gone for. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good. So there it is. One Christmas tree made out of pine cones. All ready for you to put on the Christmas table if you wanted to. Well guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. I really appreciate that. And any comments you've got, please leave them in the comment section below and I will respond. But there it is, one Christmas tree.